Hello, Miss Cruz here. I am back with part 2 of our science trick with Expo dry erase markers. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I have here is I drew another line with my marker and then poured the water in. I actually could play with the things that I'd made earlier. It just stays in the water the whole time and you can mess around with it. So what I'm doing is I am gathering up all this circular line that I made, and I want to show you what we end up with once I get it all collected. So, well, that's a big portion of it. There's a little bit left in there, but I just want to show you this, how it rolls just right back up into a little tiny ball. And then all that's left is just your ink. And there it is, just in that little tiny piece on my finger. So small. If I gathered the rest of this up, it would still be the same size. Very tiny. So I will explain that in a moment. So we're going to go to the computer where I have the answer to our questions. So I hope that you went and tried to find the answers. Let's see if your answers are the same as mine. So I just want to let you know that the two main ingredients in the dry erase markers are number 1, alcohol, and number 2, agent made of silicone oils. So I'm going to move this up and explain this. When you write on a glass pan or plate with an Expo dry erase marker, A, first of all, the alcohol evaporates. B, then what's left behind is the ink with the release agent in it, the silicone oils. C, the water repels the silicone oil. That's a good word to look up, repels. D, the silicone is less dense than the water. That's another good vocabulary word, dense. That's your homework. Repels and dense. E, the water can slide right under the silicone oil. And then what happens? Then it floats to the top, so the ink and the silicone oil stay together in the same layer. G, the water moves under it and you can move it around on top of the water. So there's your answer. And then I also already showed you this. What happened was the oil, basically it reduced a tiny amount of volume. To a tiny, tiny amount of volume. That's another good vocabulary word, is volume. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Stay safe. Take care. Love ya. Bye.